mesh. So that is the only thing we have in the mass conquest lab. Unless you want to have your damp-proof cross membrane in before after the hardcore, then we create a kind of screening on the hardcore, then we place damp-proof cross membrane which aids or prevents the upward movement of moisture into the rim. So the next one we have is the kicker. The kicker is 75 mm. 75 mm, that is 3 inches. So now the kicker is just like a that we cast out a little portion of a concrete in order for us to place our form work. So after is like when you have a normal plane level, then you cast a kind of a 75 mm reinforcement, like it is like a cube now, because it's gonna be like a cube, so that we can place our reinforcement for the so that we can place our formwork for the casting of the concrete of the column. So that is that. And then the next detail we'll see is 4y16. What is that? We need 4 of y16 to be inside this column. So depending on the cover of the column is what will determine the area of reinforcement and the area of concrete. So that is we get to calculate that. So here we have the starter bar. Now the starter bar just gives this room for us to connect another reinforcement here, because this reinforcement is coming out from the ground with a 0.75 meters, so that is 750 mm. So it's coming out with a 750 mm from the ground, so that we can join another reinforcement with this reinforcement coming up with the starter bar. So I know you like this video and I know you learned from it. So guys, kindly click on the subscribe button, man, and click on the notification bell, because I'm gonna bring up a new video that will explain how to study a beam detail and its section, so that whenever I post the video, you get notified that I've posted a new video, then you can just watch it.